Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm working on this 2005 Prius and I just lifted up and checking how it looks underneath. Let me show you something. I was just looking around, after I finished my services. Look at this exhaust. Everything looking good there, right? Everything fine. AF sensor. Everything's fine, and suddenly, bang! What happened to this hanger? Right? This one's good. So this one's working for two of them because this one got hit by something, maybe backing, who knows? There is some more damage, right? If you look here, this entire bracket, bracelet, whatever it is, supporting, holding bracket, look, it's all damaged, right? So definitely something happened, probably low clearance, somebody hit some rock, I'm assuming, right? The vehicle is all wrapped in the dirt and dust, so I'm assuming they are using some dirt roads. The rest of the hangers, it's good. This one's good. This one's good, right? There's not the other one on the other side. But if we follow it, there's no any leaks. The pipes didn't get bent, but we immediately see that needs to be fixed. So let me do some freebie for this customer and try to fix it really quickly. And in no way I'm trying to show here how this stuff should be repaired, right? This is very unfortunate that it happened, and I will just try to bend it back. I don't know even if it's possible. It might break, but at this moment it's doing nothing anyway, and hopefully I can do something little, for this customer. This rubber hanger, all looks original Toyota. This is in good shape. It doesn't want to go out, and I will show you how it will go off. If you want to have an easy life dealing with the exhaust hangers, use a WD-40 because they will perfectly slip off. And by the time, right, the W-40, did you see that? Immediately went off, and the W-40 will dry off and it will disappear. So it's not like you will put a grease and it will be there and it will be burning off forever. This is probably one of the best tricks I learned from the other professionals. I will get some extension pipe to carefully bend it. I'll be back with you. You will wonder why mechanics are saving everything. Oh, this chunk of pipe, right, with some diameter. Well, look, that's a special muffler repairing tool. That's at least what I see. And this hanger actually didn't break off. I'm happy. And maybe, just maybe, we will be able to hang it nicely back. What do you say? Little bit more WD-40 on the new part, right? This one, which is completely messed up. Let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, it goes like on butter, right? And as I said, the W-40 will not stay there forever. It will really quickly disappear. It will evaporate. So what do you think? Isn't this better than it was? It's nicely hanging. And it took me only, 15 minutes, including, looking at it and whatever. This is perfect. I love it. Let's zoom on it. Look at that. I think it's good enough for me. I love it. And it was a nice opportunity for me, to give back to the person who's giving me a chance to make some money on their Prius, play with it and film it for you. Of course, I could be like, oh my God, it will fall off and you have to pay me an hour to fix it, but no way. This is a nice little example what is a good way to give back. Thank you for considering this channel. Thank you for staying with me in this video, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more stuff coming your way from this shop very soon. See you later.